Okay, my little toast lovers. In for a little treat. A little toast episode. Nah, that was just stupid. I just fancied a piece of toast. And do you know what? Yes, I am putting that back in the bar. If you've been an OG, you know that's what I do. Okay? Wait, that want not. Right, avocado. Yes, it is a lot. But is there ever too much? No. There's not. Not in mine. It wasn't as ripe as I liked it. Do you know what I mean? And I also wanted some fried eggs, but I couldn't do that because I haven't got time because we've got plans. Being at half term, things just go, go, go. Did I tell you what I was doing with my car? So basically the car's going to cost like $1,600 for like the gearbox, clutch, labour, etc. I've got the really expensive clutch, so yay me. Do you know what I mean? Sod's freaking law. Let's have a little bite of this. Anywho. Got every salt. Right. It's going in for MOT next week. So, the conclusion is, put it in for an MOT. Right? If it passes the MOT, then all I've got is the £1,600 bill. Alright? Yes, it's a lot for a Kia Sportage. 170,000 miles is a lot in there. However, I have been looking at them and IKEA seems to be holding their money. Some of them have got high mileage and they're still a couple grand or whatever. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be worth it. What I'm saying is, do I get the MOT done? Well, that's what I'm doing. I'm getting the MOT done. So it's weird. I'm getting the MOT done next week. I'm going to see if there's anything else wrong with it. Engine, emissions, whatever. The thing's going, alright? If there's not anything else wrong with it and it passes the MOT, I'm in a predicament to, do I get it done, get it fixed, sell it on, or with a 12 months MOT, or do I just keep it and hopefully I paid £1,600, hopefully, for at least another 12 months before I have to buy a new car. Do you know what I mean? So I do really like car. I'm really weird. I will get attached. Like oddly attached to a car. I know. I'm stupid. But it is what it is. Anyway, that's my predicament. What do you guys think? That's what I'm doing. So next Thursday, when we know about the MOT, that is when we make the decision. Anyway, have a good day.